Bibingkang Malagkit, easy to make from simple ingredients. You can make it wherever you are in the world. We're making it today in America from very simple ingredients. Join us! You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language or click on the I icon above for the Dutch audio. Kuya Uncle here and welcome to our Pinoy food series. It's our aim to showcase our Pinoy food to the world. That's why today we are in America. We brought our food to America and we're cooking today here in America, in Florida to be exact. We're making Ilocano bibingka, which I promised my uncle because he failed to join me in the Philippines during Christmas. So, aliwin natin siya. I'll be making for him bibingka. But for my auntie who's from Pampanga, it's new to her. Kaya magagagawa rin tayo ng suman para sa kanya. But that's another upload. But for this, it's bibingka. If you've seen this before in my earlier upload, I was in Vienna for this time for another family member here in the US. And for the world, samahan niyo ako, we'll showcase our food to the world. I'll be showing you now the ingredients. I have doubled the usual volume of ingredients, but these are the ingredients. Malagkit, or sweet rice as they call it here in the US. Water, 2 cups, or I'll just say milk. Just look at the description box below for the amount, and brown sugar. Simple ingredients, easy to acquire. Mostly from your Asian groceries if you're in the US or in Europe. If you're in the Philippines, you're lucky. It's just a quick trip to the market or to the sari-sari store. In addition to that, for the toppings, we'll be needing same amount of sugar, brown sugar, and milk. Ingredients that are easy to acquire. It is suggested to soak the rice or the malagkit for at least an hour. But if you don't have time, you can also accelerate the cooking by microwaving. We don't have time to soak this, that's why I'm using the microwave. Use technology if you have access to it. I gave it 10 minutes. It doesn't have to completely cook. It just has to buy time. Pre-cook. Before the sun sets, we have to gather banana leaves for our bibingka. Not perfect because there was a storm the other day, but we have to wilt it to make it stronger. Perhaps never seen before on YouTube wilting or lanat in Ilocano banana leaves on an electric stove. These road leaves collected dust outside, so wipe them. If you enjoyed watching, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so that you'll get notified of every Friday releases. And if travel is your choice, Mi Barrio, Mi Mundo is your channel. This is after 10 minutes. It's not cooked, it's just pre-cooked. Now, having pre-cooked this, it's not enough. We have to finish this at the wok with the sugar and the coconut milk. And it's the sugar and the coconut milk. Just combine everything and then cook on low flame. Same fashion as you would for BIKO or binakal.
That's suman or bibingka?
Bibingkang. See, my uncle even thought it was suman. While waiting for our BIKO to cook, we can also prepare our toppings. Just sugar and coconut milk. Very simple. For the complete list and amount of ingredients, just see the description box. This is twice the usual volume. Let's bring this to the stove and boil it until it thickens. Continuously stirring, of course. This is done. We don't have to wait until it completely cooks. The oven will do the rest. As long as it's dry, it's good. See this dryness. And now we can concentrate on thickening this topping. The topping easily burns, that's why we have to constantly stir it. The topping should reach this consistency. It's time to turn it off. Let's pour our toppings. But of course, before we are able to do that, let us place the BIKO or the pre-cooked rice here in this tray. Let's provide some banana leaf linings. If you don't have banana leaves, aluminum foil would do, or baking foil, and flatten the BIKO or the mixture. Every corner should be filled. With patience. We have to flatten the cake to keep the toppings from running. And what makes this bibingka is the topping. It's crowning flavor. Let's put all the goodness. Let's not waste even a drop of this goodness. Scrape it, Romilo. Scrape it. Scrape it well. Into the oven now. Look how lovely it is. It's not yet cooked, but oh, if you can only smell it. For at least 20 to 30 minutes at 160. For our viewers in America, that's 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And after 20 minutes, increase the temperature to 180 degrees, or that's 356 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the desired effect to allow it to boil briskly for the light and caramelized topping. And after another 20 minutes, it's ready now. I'm just curious. It's wet. It's on the wet side. But this looks promising. Di ba, Ante? Mm-hmm. Okay. Palamigin natin. Parang hindi ito magandang patungan. Doon na lang kaya sa stove.
No, we can have more patungan if you want. Okay, that
Kasi
one's...
it's flatter.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Thank you, Ante. Sharing my favorite kakanin to the world and here in America. Thank you for joining us today as we bake this classic Ilocano bibingka here in Florida. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe and come back for more of our uploads. Pinoy Cooking Fridays and International Cooking Mondays. Gardening or live cooking Wednesdays. Until next time, your Kuya and Uncle here, joined by my auntie and my uncle, saying thank you and ibida natin ang pagkain natin sa buong mundo, starting here in America. Until next time, Dios te guarde.